When you are approaching a law firm, probably you are in a two different situation. Either you have some case in the court or the police station or in CID, or probably you may receive or you may get a case against you. So what you have to do? The first step is you explain exactly what happened and what are the documents you have and what are the problem you are going to face. It's like a precaution for the cases which going to become. Once after discussing that, you have to draft the very clear summary for the case, and it should be translated in Arabic because the lawyers are presenting all the document in Arabic. So whatever in your mind, you can write as a summary. From the summary, the lawyer will pull out some important points and they will make a memorandum adding with the low points. If the client go to the court directly and attend the case, they may say something against yourself to the judge. But when you are approaching to the lawyer will submit the memorandum which is favoring to us. So let us go through the other steps. You have to discuss about your fees. The fees should be covered from the beginning, like consulting as well as make a power of attorney. Power of attorney in the sense you give a power to the lawyer to handle your case. If it is existing case, the lawyer will link your power of attorney with the case number and pull all the case details from the court if it is existing case. If it is a new case, when the situation comes, the lawyer will give you needful advice if the police call or CID call, or if you want to make a case against someone else. So when the case starts from where, it can be from the criminal case from the police station or CID. If it is a civil case, start from the court. So during this period, you will have a different charges through the lawyer. So some of the lawyer, they will not explain you from the beginning. So there is a position up to the last. Civil case, we have to get it until we get the money, or we have to proceed till the execution. But a criminal case, we have to get until get the police clearance. There will be a step from the police station or CID and the public prosecution and first hearing, second hearing and various hearing in the first court. Then the appeal court is there. There will be different hearing, and sometimes it go to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court will have a different hearing, and there will be final judgment, and we have to proceed the next step. This is what I said about the criminal case. But let us go through the civil case. Civil case also will have the court management, first court and Supreme Court, etc. So we have to conclude all the fees in one. Otherwise what happens? In between of the case, the lawyer will stop and they may ask you more money. The lawyer will give a fee only for the attorney fee, the lawyer fees. So you will not be having a problem in between if you clearly discuss about these points. Whatever payment you are making against the agreement, so definitely you have to make an agreement between you and the law firm. So all the points will be clearly mentioned. And the lawyer cannot give you the full expense for the case in the beginning, but probably they will be able to explain you something. The criminal cases, there won't be any court fees or something. But the civil cases, there will be a fee. And there will be like audit fee may come, or there is a appeal fee will come. There is a bail fee will come, which will be separated. And there will be translations, a legal translation probably required. There will sometimes the publication charges will come. So court may ask to advertise in the newspaper, and online charges will be there. So please do not mix all this expense with the attorney fee. Attorney fee will be totally different. The lawyer will mention attorney fee separate, and the other expense, court related other expense should be paid by the customers. But you can ask what will be approximate. All the receipts, when you are making any payment to the lawyer, please do not forget to keep the receipt. Also, you have the full rights to go against the law firm also. You can cancel the power of attorney of lawyer. If you are not satisfied with their service, you can cancel the power of attorney and you can go through another lawyer. But there are some cases which will take a very long time, like especially drugs and all, there will be investigation time and the medical reports, such things. So don't be embarrassed or don't get it worried about those period. It's a part of investigation side on the criminal case. But a civil case, definitely a certain period will take for the beginning. So it will send a legal notice to the customer and it will take some time to respond for the legal notice, and in case the court cannot approach the other party, they will request you to advertise, and then again it will take another 15 days for the process. So there will be a processing period in the beginning. So don't get very upset and don't spoil the relation with the lawyer. So if you have any doubt about these kind of things, the best thing is you can come to the law firm and sit and discuss the matter. I will be able to give you the very clear picture, and which you are convinced and 100% convinced, then we can make a agreement between the law firm and you, so there won't be any dispute on during process.